What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Nicole and I have a shopping problem. In today's video, I wanted to review Poppy Apparel. I discovered them online and ordered 4 things from them. I have opened 2 already because they didn't all arrive at once. They all shipped separately. I have 2 that I haven't opened yet and I wanted to open them up with you guys and do a review. So without further ado, let's hop right into it. Alright, you guys, package number 1 is a t-shirt. I am so excited to open this. Where are my scissors? I can't find my scissors. Okay, but first, coffee. Love it! So there we go, guys. It fits just like a t-shirt. It is a little see-through though. You can see my high-waisted pants. I am fabulous. I am wearing a nude bra. I think if I was wearing a colored bra, you would see it. But other than that, being a little see-through, a little sheer, I like it. It fits perfect. I ordered a small. Small fits me great. I love it. Package number 2 is a wallet. Damn, it looks good with my nails. I love this wallet. It arrived in perfect condition. It's a little stiff. It's got a few different pockets. You can't go wrong. Item number 2, a win. So the other 2 items, because they were all shipped differently in different bags, these 2 items I have opened already. The first is a pair of sunglasses that, you know what, shopping for sunglasses online is really hard to do because you don't know what they're going to look like on your face. So how can you size them up? I don't know. It's always been a challenge for me. So these sunglasses, I don't really like them on my face. I did take a picture with them and posted it on Instagram. I'm sitting in a hot tub. Maybe you guys can go check that out. They look cute in the picture, but I don't know. So these are the Sunnies. They're rose gold with a mirror lens. So pretty. I really, really like them, except 2 things. They, in the corners here, it bends the light. It's going to be hard to show on here. Right there. You see how the window that's reflecting, you can see how it's bending the light. I don't like that. I feel like they were made very poorly. I don't know. It's just something that I don't like. And also, can you hear that? They're plastic. They feel cheap to me, and I feel like myself and all of you boss babes are way worthy of something way more rich. This to me, it feels cheap. So, and these, nope, not working. Nope, way too big for my face. You can take, get at the right angle. You might be able to take a right picture. But I am never going to wear these out in public and actually feel comfortable. They're not my favorite, unfortunately. I was really excited to get these, but they're just too big for my face. Oh dear, you can see the mess in behind on my beauty desk. Woo! The next item is a purse. Again, it was hard to size it up online. I couldn't really, there was no size comparison, the purse up to someone's hand, so I wasn't really sure how big it was going to be, and it ended up being a decent size. I would have been happy with this purchase, except when it arrived, you can see here, it was shipped in a bag. It wasn't shipped in a box. So because this purse is very structured, it shouldn't be folded, and when it came in the bag, this part of the purse became folded. So to me, this is unacceptable. I deserve better than this. I spent my money on it and I want it to be in mint condition when it arrives at my house, and I deserve it. You guys deserve it. So I am unhappy about this. So far my review, I'm 50-50 because I ordered 4 items. 2 items I love, 2 items I am unhappy with. So right now I am 50-50 and I am going to give the company a chance. I am not going to end this review until I deal with the issues. I did contact Poppy Apparel because apparently they don't accept returns. So I emailed them and told them, the issues that I'm having. They said that I can ship it back to them. Once they receive it at their warehouse, they will issue me a store credit and I could use that to purchase something else. I'm okay with a store credit, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and ship this back. The reason why I want to include this in the video is because to me, a company's return policy is so important. The return policy is a deal breaker for me. You know, if you're purchasing a large item and they have no returns whatsoever, sometimes I'm not even tempted to buy just in case it doesn't work for me, or you know, if it's a piece of furniture, if it doesn't fit in my house. There's so many factors as to why you would want a great return policy with the company that you are purchasing from. So I am going to include this in the review. I'm going to send this back and I will keep you guys posted. Ooh, look, I got a parcel! And look at the ice underneath my feet. This is insane. But of course, I did more online shopping and look, presents! It is crazy outside. It is raining. It is so icy. I'm headed to the post office to mail off my return, but I had to stop and get the mail. Getting parcels in the mail will always make you feel better. And I stopped at Indigo. Oh my God, heaven. But I went and picked up my 2018 planner. It is currently in a bag, and I'm not going to open it till I get home because I don't want to get it wet and get it ruined because it's so beautiful. It's the planner that I've always wanted. Anyways, to the post office. Honestly, you guys, it would have been way smarter to just stay home today. This is insanity. Like sheer ice. All right, you guys, I got it shipped off after being sidetracked a lot. Anyways, I shipped it off. It cost me $13.81. That's not that bad considering I am shipping it to the US from Canada, so I'm not complaining, especially because Poppy Apparel ships for free. Today is February 13th. One day away from Valentine's Day. Anyways, it's February 13th, so let's see how long it takes for them to actually receive the package and to email me back and get me a store credit. So when that time comes, I will report back to you guys, and I will see you then. It has been 11 weeks. This has taken way too long, you guys, but I'm finally able to close this review and let you know my true opinion about Poppy Apparel because I finally got to the bottom of this return. So, what has happened from February 13th till now? Not a whole lot. Let me tell you the story. But first, let's put up a tally out of 10. When I sent my return off on February 13th, I was 50-50, so let's start the score at 5 out of 10. After I mailed off my return, I waited and waited and waited. Days went by, weeks went by, even months went by, and I still hadn't heard from Poppy Apparel. Then I thought, maybe, just maybe, they automatically put my in-store credit onto my account without sending me an email confirmation. So I logged into my account to see, and nothing. -1 point for taking so long. So then I thought, I'd better email them to follow up. Okay, but first, coffee. I'm just kidding. All jokes aside, I sent them an email asking, what's the deal? They emailed me back in a timely manner and was very polite, so +1 point for customer service. The next day I received another email titled, refund notification. I thought, refund? And sure enough, my return was credited back onto my credit card. It's time for a happy dance. I was not expecting a refund. I was told I'd receive an in-store credit, so +1 point for giving me my money back. All right, 6 out of 10, and I think I will leave my vote here because, well, my original plan was that once I received my in-store credit, I would make another purchase. Once I received the item, I would open it up and do an unboxing with you guys and base my review on that purchase as well. But because it has been literally 3 months, it has taken way too long, and I just want to end the review here, so that is where I will end it, 6 out of 10. The items that I did keep, this shirt, absolutely love it. It is holding up really, really well. And my wallet, hang on, I got it in my purse to show you guys here. What a mess. Anyways, here's the wallet. It is still in mint condition, holding up nicely, still nice and crisp, still empty. Anyways. So I would definitely recommend Poppy Apparel for all those bargain hunters out there. I'm also a bargain hunter, and they've got some pretty good deals. So check it out, and better yet, I have a discount code for you guys. Just type in Boss Babe during checkout, and you will get 10% off your entire order and free shipping. And let me know how it works for you guys. Let me know. I want to know your guys' review. Just put it in the comments below or message me on any of my socials. They are at Nicole's Life Be Like. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, seriously, thank you. I love you. I will see you guys in the next video. But you know what? Mirrored lenses are great if you know, don't want to put makeup on or you're a little bit hungover or something. This would be a great way to hide your eyes. No one can see you. I wear my sunglasses at night so I can. It's time for a happy dance. Just trying to do a happy dance.